Hello guys, this is How to Reset, and what if your WeChat isn't working properly? Like messages not delivering, the app freezing, or notifications not showing? Follow these steps to fix it. First of all, close and reopen WeChat. Swipe like this, go to WeChat, and here we go. Imagine that you logged in and the app still doesn't work properly. The second option you can do is the check app permissions. Let's go to the settings, apps, and search for the WeChat. And here you go, app permissions, and allow some permissions that you have to allow, like contacts, allow, location, allow, and notifications, for example, show notifications. Okay, so when you allowed, just go to WeChat again and check out those settings. If the app still doesn't work properly, you could do the next option, reinstall the app. So you can go to Play Store, go to WeChat, and uninstall, and install it again. Okay, and here you go. Let's open. You're logging in or you're signing up, doesn't matter. You logged in on your account and it still doesn't work properly. The last option you could do to solve this problem is to restart your device or change your Wi-Fi connection. You know, if your mobile data is not really good, you can use the Wi-Fi, and the same thing with Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi doesn't work properly, you could use your mobile data. You could use your mobile data and just check on the problem. If problem didn't solved, you can just restart your phone. And here we go. This was How to Reset. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.